How to send a disappearing photo on Snapchat from the camera roll. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send a disappearing photo on Snapchat from the camera roll. First, open Snapchat and log in to your account. Now, go to the director mode and tap the add icon. Then choose media from your camera roll. Next, tap the preview button to continue. After that, hit the send to button and select your friends. Once you send it, they will view it only once. It will disappear after viewing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.